Hey guys, we're out here at Morningstar Marinas in Southport. This one we had the client who wanted to come out with, there's Destiny right there. This one the client wants to come out and get some photos and video for their yacht. It's a Neptunus 56. It's going to be coming on the market very soon. And so Destiny here is going to shoot some of the photos. I'll shoot some of the video, and then we got to get the drone out and get some nice running shots that we're going to show you, and then we're going to take you on a little tour of this right here. I gotta be honest with you, I've never been in an engine room of a boat before. So this is a first. I gotta say, we'll do whatever it takes for our clients to film or capture it all. So this is a tight little space, but again, we'd love to help you. So check us out at KahunaPhoto.com. We'll even film yachts. I know what you're thinking. Totally normal day at the office to fly the drone off a yacht for a client, but you got to get it done. All right, we just finished up filming a Neptunus 56. It was a lot of fun. They ran the boat out. We got some really cool footage, and we got to photograph the inside. Desi here took care of that. So it was a lot of fun. Did you have fun? Mm-hmm. Yeah? All right. And again, guys, we'd love to help you guys out. So reach out to us at KahunaPhoto.com or email us info@KahunaPhoto.com. And make sure you check out the listing. We want to share it here. That way you can check out their boat. If you're in the market for a yacht, check these guys out and take it out. Thanks. Have a good one.